Hi, my name's Tom Olafson. I'm an estate planning attorney and I serve clients in the Orland Park area. Thanks for coming to my website. I have something that I'd like to give you that's very special, but first I'd like to tell you a little bit about my practice. Very often people will read an article that explains that they should have an A-B trust. And although it's not quite as necessary these days, I think it's worth talking about. A living trust that has tax planning built into it will often be called an A-B trust because it may at some point split into two trusts, an A trust and a B trust. The way we remember this is sort of a little dark humor. The A trust is for the above ground spouse, that's the surviving spouse, and the B trust is for the below ground dead husband. And if you think of it that way, it's easy to remember that you split the assets roughly in half so that each spouse gets to use their credit against the federal estate tax. Now, that all sounds very nice. These days, because the estate tax doesn't kick in until $5 million for a single person, and because of the AB provisions in the trust, $10 million for a married couple, it isn't likely to get used for most people. But we often put the planning in place in case those rules change in the future. And an AB trust just reflects that the tax planning has been done inside the trust. Now what I'd like you to do is go to my website and find out how you can get a free review of your existing trust documents to see if they come up to our standards. I can also arrange for you to get free access to 20 videos that answer your most often asked questions. They give you some guidance as to what you should be looking for. Now, if you don't have existing trust documents or you have a particular question that's been bothering you, you're welcome to call my phone number, which is 773-905-1193, and we'll set up a complimentary consultation.